G'day, here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Some of the pieces are a bit bigger that you'll be able to just hang on to them to grind rather than having to dop them up. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres there. This piece caught my eye earlier. Got some nice colour showing through there. Older seam there, so it's a bit hard to tell where the colour goes with that, but nice colour bar in the middle. Like I said, some of this is more sort of just practice material. It's not very expensive. Just randomly picked this out of a bucket of material that I've got. Pretty purple piece. Might cut a nice stone, that piece. Other pieces like that. Basically don't price that in, it's just a freebie. Bit of purple poking through there. Bit of crystal, another piece. Anyway, I'll throw a couple more bits in, and hopefully you've enjoyed. Cheers.